Oh my god, close the door! Close the door! I'm taking over. Gabby's wrong. I can't believe the door is locked. I thought you were Marcus. I was like, why is he taking forever? Ew, ew, ew. There's a cat in front of my door. Oh my god, close the door! Close the door! Gabby, close the door! Close the door! It's Peyton.
Peyton, this cat is cute.
Oh my god, yuck. Where did it go?
No, it was.
It literally was
coming towards us.
Wait, what were we doing again?
so.
Where are we going? Wait, no, what were you just saying, Anna?
I'm a buff baby, but I dance
You
like
know?
a man. What?
What were you saying?
Gabby, your big head.
So what were you saying though?
Okay, so. Heads are okay, look at how much room you have, Gabby. Yeah, thank you.
There's so much.
Why are you Ow!
I just dislocated my jaw.
Okay, guys. Back up. Big head.
Hey guys, so
Why are we posing?
Wait, what do I say? I'm sick of saying.
hey guys.
You can steal someone else's intro.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel.
What?
Who does that?
Who does
I
that?
don't know.
Is we're gonna go to every fast food restaurant that's near our area. Did you get that?
Do you think Chipotle has like
Period.
pumpkin spice?
Oh yeah, I kind of want Chipotle.
Wait, I thought we were gonna make frozen burritos.
Yeah, we are. Okay, anyways, we're gonna go.
Do you have a list of places?
No, we can just drive to like Dairy Cream had a pumpkin spice
Dairy
ice cream.
Don't quit and stop us. Okay, I love being in the back. 10 surprising pumpkin spice orders at fast food restaurants. Dairy Queen pumpkin pie blizzard.
Does Burger King have something? I don't know. I'm just trying to look at random restaurants.
I'm not helping.
Why do you look like that? I look up for 2 seconds. We're watching Maids Runner right now because I'm obsessed. We should just try every fast food's PSLs and we can rate it.
Three Little Liars.
Pumpkin spice latte.
Wait, what else did we say that there was?
That was it.
It's just coffee and ice cream.
This video is so bad. This video is so.
I'm hungry.
Okay, first of all, you have toothpaste on your jacket right there. I'm gonna eat a burrito, so.
Can you make one for me?
This is what we're making. This video is probably not going to be uploaded on my channel. Okay guys, we just changed our video idea because we're indecisive ladies. Tell them what we're making.
Cinnamon sugar pumpkin spice donut holes.
I'm pretty sure there's an easier way to say it, but yeah.
That's what it's called on Pinterest.
Hey guys.
We're in the car right now.
Are we?
Yeah, we're going to Safeway. We're getting our extra supplies that we have to get.
This is my favorite song right now. Danny. My friend's brother dated her.
No.
This song's probably about him. I think I have an ear infection.
We made it to Slave Away. Freaking $10 for this seasoning. So we're not gonna get it. We don't need
Ground clothes.
Oh wait, these are cheaper over here. Oh no, they're not. Peyton, I think you need an energy drink. I think I do. I'm like shutting down right now.
puppy. Or the crackhead cookies.
I get it.
Don't get my card information. They literally spelled my name Anna.
Gabby's wrong.
I already tried it. I'm not gonna lie. It's
good.
So good. Let me try yours.
You don't like it?
No.
Weirdo.
This is way better. Okay, guys. So we are listening to Gab.
Okay, guys.
Why did I say it like that? We're listening to Gabby's rape whistle.
Uncover your ears so you can hear how loud it is, and then you can cover your ears.
Scared.
Okay, Peyton. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. She's been trying to put her drink in the cup holder for 10 hours.
I know you caught me. Oh, the house is so pretty.
Thank you. Thank you.
I don't get to be in this.
Are they green?
Fly me to the moon.
Yeah.
Can we talk about how long it takes Peyton to ask somebody to grab the sunglasses?
God, give it up. I'm not gonna stop.
Not gonna stop
telling you. We none of us do the word.
Because I might not be able to go to Puyallup with you.
What happened?
Gabby? I have to burp and I might throw up. My back hurts.
You guys have a lot of situations in your life and I'm kind of over it.
What?
Peyton, look.
Fly me to the moon. Okay, I'm over it. Should I turn on the ring light?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna show you you guys what you need. 100% pumpkin. Pure pumpkin. We have crackhead cookies, which I really want to eat right now.
What?
Oh my god, look, we have flour.
No, it's my turn.
Salt.
I got number 3.
Sugar.
4.
I didn't know you get rated in Minecraft. Did you save the world? Brown ginger.
Thank you.
Okay, we're done. You don't even care about the recipe.
Let's get started. I'm pretending like I'm doing something.
You only need to do egg, buttermilk. We forgot to get buttermilk.
What's that?
Let me see what spring is like on
Jupiter and Mars.
Hey, do you have a fake tooth?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
You actually do?
This one.
Oh, does it come out or no?
Not like Charlie's? Oh my god, have you seen Charlie's?
Charlie's,
It's
yeah.
so funny.
It's scary.
Play the clip. Look at them fake teeth. This video is so boring, I'm sorry.
We've been entertaining.
When? It actually smells like Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
I was gonna burp, but it didn't work.
Yeah, that was kind of awkward. I really cannot with you. Did you hear that noise? Let's listen to this ASMR right now.
It doesn't look like very much.
Everyone's getting like really cranky.
I know, I'm over it.
Are you gonna mix it with the chicken nuggets and the buffalo sauce? You haven't seen that? Oh, you don't watch TikTok.
Oh, now it looks like a healthy organic butter or peanut butter.
Butter.
These, stop.
Whoa.
These are homemade.
That's what a crackhead looks like.
This is what's going on. Anna's getting irritated.
Yes.
Peyton's about to start her period, so she's
Yes.
cranky, and I'm sensitive. So that's what's happening.
And then there's Leia right over there just eating food.
I'm taking over. Hi, my name's Peyton. And my life is
kind of crazy.
Your mom texted me yesterday. Did I tell you that?
No, what'd you say?
She told me that I need to start working with her, but the thing is the night before I had a dream about it.
It's the Lord.
Me and Anna have been having dreams about signs that we're getting in life.
Here are the donut holes looking really
We
cute.
tried 2 different kinds. These ones are gonna turn into like cookies.
We're gonna see who can make the
Why is my head off?
No, I swear. I can go up.
Oh, I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
Oh, shut the hell up. Her neck is broken now. What is that? It looks ugly. So what is this? I don't even want to eat it.
Look, it's jumpy.
She said it's supposed to spring.
String. Who's she?
Block
Ooh. Can you move out of my face?
Can you go get your phone? Look for 9 or 10 minutes. Yeah, you said it was gonna be better.
I didn't say that. I said they were both
Peyton,
bad.
why are you upset? They look like shortbread cookies.
Yeah.
It's because there's more flour. Anna!
Payne is dipping the donuts because I'm having a sugar
Is that
crash.
too much?
And we're not fighting anymore.
So Payne just finished the cookies. Here's what it looks like. It's not supposed to be a cookie. It's supposed to be a donut.
Like
Don't
that
want
one.
it. I'm gonna spit it out.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, ready to go.
Wait, cheers.
Oh.
I already put my mouth on it though. It's not bad, but it's not good. It's spicy.
I don't like the texture. It's kind of weird.
Yeah, it's because there's no buttermilk.
No buttermilk. It's not bad.
It's just the spice keeps on popping up in my taste buds.
I'm not a fan.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll give it a 3.
Look at 4.
Gabby.
3.
Oh, sorry.
Baby shark, baby shark. It's Alicia's birthday right now. There she is. There's Chi-Chi, her boo thing, her baby daddy. There's Ilya. There's Mackenzie. Ooh, look at her go. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh, this is right. We're listening to Ziggy's song. Oh, hey, cutie. Yeah. She's dead.
That didn't work.
It's not working. That was so awkward.
Oh wait, because in music videos.
Music videos.
In your vlog. If you run into your house and tryna flip pound Louis and you know I'm tryna ball. This is my favorite one.
You already played this one.
But
It's good.
But
It's good.
Baby, what's your name? I've been trying to...
Bye, Zay Zay.
Bye, vlog.
Hugs and kisses.
Okay, let's do
Add me on Snap. Bye.
We already have you on Snap. Oh.